What's up, people, and welcome back to this amazing new live stream here once again all together here on the channel. And today we're going to discuss once again the Bitcoin price, the other altcoins, their prices, and of course what we are right now anticipating in here in the market. So guys, thank you so much for already tuning in here. Guys, I know usually you expect me to be live way earlier, but the coming 2 weeks will be a little bit hectical for me. And I, of course, will try and do my best to be as live as early on. But guys, thank you still for tuning in here. Thank you so much for coming in here. Already 500 people right now in the stream here, and we will always make a video every day here. Also feeling already a bit better here because always keeping the apples here with me. So I'm doing a very good job here, guys. And let me know if you're just tuning in, guys. We're seeing some very interesting price action right now here in the Bitcoin chart, because if you look to Bitcoin here, you can see we formed this symmetrical triangle and we broke to the downside. We retested this support line, and yeah, of course it acted as resistance. So if we just look at the price target of the symmetrical triangle, you can see that our target will be around the 46k here. So immediate short term, not looking very strong here for Bitcoin, guys. We are seeing the symmetrical triangle breaking to the downside. So this can really indicate that we're probably going to continue a little bit lower here. So guys, thank you already once again. I like this time I'm in the US, so you're going to be happy here in the coming days here, because probably going to live stream around these hours here, at least for coming 3 days here. So guys, of course, that will be, of course, I will do my best to live stream every single day here for you guys, of course. But yeah, guys, already 600 guys in here. Thank you so much for tuning in here to the stream. But yeah, Bitcoin, immediate short term, 15 minutes, breaking down of the symmetrical triangle. Of course, very unfortunate what we are right now seeing here, because this is basically pushing the price a little bit lower here for Bitcoin. But we will look at multiple scenarios. And guys, the most interesting thing here that I was witnessing here, guys, if I just flip on here, just yesterday also let you know in the Discord server, if I flip on the 20-day moving average, I told you yesterday in the Discord, it is looking like that we are getting rejected right now here, live with Bitcoin. We are getting this rejection of the 20-day moving average here on the daily candles. And guys, we cannot show any more significance than this here. I mean, this is absolutely very untouched here. Of course, earlier today we went a little bit higher to watch the 50k here, but still got rejected here. Maybe these mining pools are still dumping, but yeah, momentum is still to the downside. So please be careful with your longs positions right now. And guys, I mean, I would love to go a little bit lower here, because then it will give us some more opportunities to open certain positions or certain long positions. So that's, of course, what we will be looking for. And if I just go to the little bit of a lower time frame here, of course, we were forming some kind of, we are forming some multiple patterns here. And if I, by the way, flip on the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, and I disable the 20-day here, you can see that we are heading towards a depth cross once again here. Previously in this January month here, we saw this depth cross, but after the depth cross, we saw a little bit of a dump here. But after that, we very soon recovered once again and formed this into a golden cross once again here. But as you can see here, 50-day moving average going very steep to the downside here on Bitcoin 4 hourly, and you can see that the 200-day moving average still going to the upside, because the 200-day moving average is just a lagging indicator and just always lagging behind. But once we are touching these levels around the 200-day moving average, definitely a good buy here. As you can see here, getting supported here. But I mean, if you look at the 20-day moving average here on the daily, always once you on the daily, always once you're buying on the 20-day moving average, once you're on an uptrend here, it's a good buy here. But I mean, yeah, right now we are below it, so this indicating that we will act as resistance. So definitely a level that we do want to watch here. And if you look to the 4 hourly, of course, still 4 hourly above the 20-day moving average. But yeah, right now going lower here, so maybe we're going to see a retest as well on it. But yeah, 4 hourly looking like we are getting a depth cross anytime soon here, guys. So of course that would be very bad here for the Bitcoin price, but we will have to wait and see how this will go here. And I see a lot of people are right now saying in the chat, can you check this coin? Can you check that coin? I will definitely check your coins, but give me a second here. First, I will discuss Bitcoin and Ethereum and Chainlink and Cardano and Polkadot here, because these are the most interesting coins that we are willing to look at right now. So guys, if you're interested in this live stream, make sure to already smash up these likes. It will be absolutely insane if you're doing so. You will be supporting the channel as well here, of course. I'm going to YouTube here. Let me see. We're right now saying we're at 21.9k here. So I mean, this is very, very interesting. Yeah, 21.9k, guys. A very, very interesting level that we are right now seeing. And so let's see if we're going to reach 22k here live in the stream. Will be absolutely insane, of course. So if you want to support the channel completely for free, you only have to smash up these likes, guys, and it will be already meaning a lot for me. So yeah, if you want to support the channel out here, make sure to definitely do so. And I mean, if I looked at my Fibonacci chart here of Bitcoin, right now looking at 4 hourly, by the way, you can see we got also rejected by this 1.618 Fibonacci level. So our next support target will be sitting around to 45.7k here. And that would definitely also be my next buying opportunity here. So, I mean, maybe we're going to form some kind of a reversal pattern because we're setting a higher low. So, guys, I'm not bearish at all right now. Of course, I still anticipate the price will go a little bit lower here. But once we are going lower, we will analyze the charts here. We will look for opportunities here because maybe this was it. Maybe we're going to set a higher low here and then reverse. So 45.7k would be a level that I would like to see get respected here. So I mean, if we're moving down here, I also closed my Chainlink position, by the way, because Chainlink was giving me very good returns. So it was 70% here in my trade in my personal account, and I was enjoying already the gain. So I just took it out because I found it was too scary here. So we'll look for a next opportunity here in the market as well, because we will definitely get more opportunities. And I do think that we're going to go a little bit lower from here on. We got the rejection here, maybe forming some kind of bullish divergence once again here. Once we're going lower, can definitely happen so. And yesterday evening, by the way, also having this bearish divergence on Bitcoin here. You were seeing on the 1 hourly, we're creating a higher high, but the lower high in the RSI. So it was already saying, okay, we are creating this bearish divergence, so probably going to push the price a little bit lower here. So we have a lot of interesting things to discuss, and especially if I look to Ethereum, because guys, man, oh man, what we are right now getting here on Ethereum is absolutely insane, of course. Because if I look to the chart of Ethereum, of course, Ethereum right now trading at critical support. I mean, as you can see here on the top of the screen, this white line was holding up as very, very strong support. And guys, Ethereum will follow Bitcoin, and that is the reason why I'm not trading this, because I still think that Bitcoin will reverse even more to the downside. But if I purely look to the Ethereum chart, and maybe Ethereum is going to see a supportive bounce here, because Ethereum is looking like, if you compare it to Bitcoin, that we are ready for last out to the upside. So this is the reason why I'm right now looking at Ethereum, and why I feel pretty okay about this. Because if I look to the chart, if I see this, I mean, you can see here downward sloping resistance line here, and right now we just broke it here, and right now it's flipping into support. So I mean, this is looking, of course, very, very strong here, and I would like to see this yeah, of course, break to the upside here for the chart of Ethereum. And I mean, right now trading at support, very critical level, and it is looking like we can definitely see this move to the upside once again coming in here. So let me see. Still fixing something here in the background, because everything should be working still. So right now, okay, sorry, I had to do something real quickly. So sorry, I'm talking too fast here. I'm getting too exciting here. I'm getting too excited once again here. So guys, of course, missed it, because that's also the reason why I'm so excited. So I will talk a little bit slower here, but guys, make sure to smash up already the likes here. 900 live viewers, absolutely insane that you guys are here, of course. But I mean, yeah, look to the chart, downward sloping resistance line, and you have multiple touches on the top side here, and then you have this another rejection here at the downside here. You can see major, no, not major rejection, but yeah, we got this rejection coming in here. But once we are breaking above it, this was already holding up as support. So of course, creating this double top here, also this bearish divergence here. So very good that we're seeing this retracement, but right now just exactly trading at support, man. This will be a very important level that we do want to hold here, and Bitcoin also having this free fall here right now. So Bitcoin, of course, dragging Ethereum along it, and the reason why I'm not trading this, because I think that Bitcoin will drag Ethereum with it. But yeah, maybe Ethereum is finally going to show some strength here compared to Bitcoin. So guys, people are saying, can you do your TA on the Cardano? I will definitely do my TA on Cardano. Just give me a second here. First, we'll finish up Bitcoin and Ethereum here, and after that, I will move into Cardano, etc. Everyone like the video right now. Would be amazing if we can do so. Treasure, I'm sorry. But then I will look at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, guys. You know, on the channel, if you watch the channel already for a long period of time, you can see 2 days ago we made this video here. As you can see, we made this video about what we think about Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, because as you can go to the video if you haven't watched it already. Definitely a must watch here. Definitely a must watch. You can watch it still. It's of course just a video, so And it's not just a video for the short amount of time here. I mean, you can watch it whenever you want, because I still think for the coming 2 days or 3 days, that video is still a very good one. Because if you look to the chart here of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking very strong here in my opinion. And not a lot of people are right now witnessing this chart here. If I look to this chart, I can see that we are trading in this rising channel, rising wedge here. So of course, having a minor fake out here in December, but I mean, every time once we're hitting this white line, it was a very good buy, and also the RSI is heading towards oversold areas. And just the previous month, the month of February, was the month of Bitcoin and not the month of Ethereum. So, in my opinion, yes, March will be the month of Ethereum and the other altcoins, of course, because once Ethereum is taking off here, believe me, of course, no financial advisor, but the other altcoins will only follow and also gain more and more in value here, because Ethereum is also gaining. So that is the reason why I do think that Ethereum is ready for blast off. If I look for the chart, right now trading at support compared to Bitcoin. So I definitely think that Ethereum can gain some territory back to Bitcoin. And guys, really, if you want to invest in something right now, in my opinion, of course, no financial advice here, but if you look at this, if I look at this chart, in my opinion, it's definitely a very, very good buying opportunity right now. It's giving you such a good opportunity here to step into the market, especially if you want to step into Ethereum. Ethereum probably going to outperform Bitcoin here. Once Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum will drag up these alts as well here. So I will also look at your request here in a second here, guys. Just give me a real quick second what I think about these coins. So right now we'll just quickly go into Cardano, because yeah, guys, you all know it. Cardano March hard fork update, very, very nice. Of course, what we're right now seeing with Cardano. We all love Cardano on the channel. Cardano is absolutely crushing it here, guys. Cardano is absolutely crushing it. But Cardano, of course, because of Bitcoin right now going to the downside, Cardano is also going a little bit lower. But guys, it is only giving us more and more opportunities here. So once we are hitting this gray box around the $1.15 here, this will definitely give us once again a very, very good buying opportunity. And I will be looking to get this opportunity here to open maybe a new long position here for my trading account, because yeah, of course, would like to open some new positions here, would like to open and would like to crush the market altogether with you guys. So definitely once we're heading towards this gray box here, because I love Cardano, because I feel so bullish about Cardano, and also because of the update and just the proof of work. I mean, I just like Cardano, and I would like to have a swing trade open here on Cardano as well anytime soon here. So guys, if you're interested in this, make sure to also join our Discord server already, because once we're opening it, not live in the stream, we will definitely keep you guys up to date also here in the Discord server. So very nice if you are also willing to step in, because I mean, hitting this green box will definitely give us a very, very good opportunity to maybe open this swing trade position here on Cardano, because once we're hitting this gray box, we will be sitting around $1.50 here. And in my opinion, every time you can see here, previously was acting as resistance here multiple times. You have 3 touches here on the top side, even 4 touches here on the top side. So that was absolutely insane what we were seeing over there. But once we were retesting this level here, first you can see we had blast off once we were touching this level, and then second time also very supportive bounce here. So I do believe this level will be very, very strong here for Cardano, and it will be sitting around to $1.50, guys. So definitely a level that you do want to watch here if you are trading Cardano, if you are holding Cardano, if you're looking forward to buy even more Cardano. $1.50, definitely a very, very good opportunity to buy some more here into Cardano. So also want to discuss some more things about Cardano, because of course Cardano, very interesting price action. But right now, just looking at the US dollar variant of Cardano, you can also see this uptrend. We have this upward sloping resistance line, but it didn't hold as support once we're coming down here. But yeah, right now it will hold us back once again here as resistance, as you can see also over here. But then I will what I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing. So then I will also look at Cardano compared to Bitcoin, because definitely what you want to do here is compare these altcoins to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if I look right now to Cardano to Ethereum, Cardano to Bitcoin, I mean, guys, we are heading towards the 0.236 level once again, and this will be massive support for Cardano here. So once we're moving down here, okay, we went a little bit down here, but didn't clearly touch it. But maybe this was already it. But once we are seeing a clear touch, definitely we'll be looking to long Cardano even more, because it's looking very strong then compared to Bitcoin. But in my opinion, Cardano is already looking very strong compared to Bitcoin. But do want to see this break of this level before flipping insanely bullish, of course. So maybe once we're hitting the 0.236 level, we will keep you guys, of course, up to date once we're seeing. So also we'll want to do something here. me see. Let me see. I was creating some alerts. Hitting these levels, of course, I want to stay up to date here. I want to know once we are hitting it. So, I mean, definitely once we are hitting these levels, it will give you a very good buying opportunity here. And people are saying going down so fast. So, of course, we'll look into Bitcoin as well here. Give me just a second here. Just quickly finishing up my thoughts with Cardano. But Cardano compared to Bitcoin, looking very strong here, guys. And definitely Cardano is a coin that you do want to get exposed to. Yeah, leading the way right now in the altcoin market. And yeah, still, if you look to Cardano compared to Ethereum, crushing it, completely crushing it. Finally breaking this this top structure, pump and dump structure. But probably the pump and dump structure is still intact, but only we're right now setting a higher high. But right now seeing a major dump here in Cardano compared to Ethereum. But also because of the hard fork update here, you cannot buy or sell your Cardano. I mean, a lot of wallets are right now in they are in maintenance, so probably once everything is finished, once the update is done here, probably a lot of people are willing to step into Cardano and probably will boost the price even higher here. But yeah, we'll definitely look into Bitcoin in a second here because yeah, people are saying Bitcoin is just falling, having a quick fall here. And guys, like you saw in the title here. Like you saw in the title, I will draw it once again here. I just removed it here. So we are forming this ascending triangle, guys. Sorry, symmetrical triangle. Sorry, I cannot talk. I just have a lot of things in my head right now. But I mean, right now forming this symmetrical triangle here, guys. This is not looking very strong here for the price of Bitcoin, because yeah, you can see breaking to the downside here on a 50-minute, and yeah, you know the price target is pretty horrible here if you break to the downside. If you break to the downside and you measure the price target, we will be sitting around the 46.6k, guys. So probably looking for another leg down here for Bitcoin, and I mean I won't be surprised if we're seeing so. And once we're going to another level down here, I mean definitely a good position to accumulate some more Bitcoin, to be honest, because yeah, you can see this gray box was holding up pretty strong here, and the price target will be sitting around this gray box. So definitely an area to look at, guys. Definitely an area to look at if you want to accumulate some more Bitcoin, if you want to accumulate some more altcoins, because once Bitcoin is dropping, guys, you have to know altcoins are following. And I mean, an altcoin that is holding up pretty strong here right now is Chainlink, and I have to admit that Chainlink is doing a very good job here, sitting right now at 29 US dollars. And I will also have a quick look here at Chainlink because man, I love Chainlink. I like Chainlink, and I love how it's right now reacting here. And I mean, which chart was it? Yeah, I mean, if you look at the daily chart on this chart, I mean, definitely you can see rejected by the 29.5 US dollars here. But this supportive, this is so nice to see here. This is just on the daily candles, guys. You can see and Chainlink first having struggles to break through this level over here. But since we broke through that level, you can see we had this uptrend. We created this very nice uptrend. But of course, we reversed to the downside. What is not very bad, because you're going up so quickly, it's very likely to see a reverse coming in here, guys. And by the way, having 1,000 live viewers, and we're right now having 229 likes, guys. If you are enjoying... If you're enjoying the content, make sure to please smash up the likes here. You will be so supportive if you're doing so. It's completely for free. And guys, I know that you guys want to support me. So, I mean, it's completely for free. So if you want to help the channel out here, make sure to smash up that like button. It will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. It's completely for free. And yeah, you are pushing this content to more people. And I would like to do it, of course, because yeah, we are just building this strong community all together. And then you will be a part of it as well here. But I mean, yeah, just going to continue with Chainlink here, because if I look to Chainlink, right away, smashing for the 250 likes, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up that like. But yeah, right now looking at Chainlink, you can see first having struggles to break through this level. But once we are breaking through this level, immediately started the uptrend here. And once we're reversing, we found support at our previous resistance level. So guys, this is basic TA here. Basically, it's once again saying us, okay, around this level, around the 24.7 US dollars, definitely a good buying opportunity. And once Bitcoin is reversing, definitely looking to buy some more Chainlink once we're heading towards 25 US dollars. So I am not scared at all here, guys. I'm not scared at all for Chainlink, because I know Chainlink will go to $100. It's just a matter of time once we are heading towards that level. So, and people are saying, how do you know if F2 pool dumped here? And we have a special chart for that, so we will also look in that chart as well here in a second. I have to grab something in a second, by the way. But I mean, yeah, Chainlink holding up very strong here. If you looked at a lower time frame, I also want to look at the 4-hourly, to be honest. Let me get the 4-hourly in front of me. I mean, yeah, if you look at the 4-hourly, just at same chart, but only on a little bit lower time frame here, you can see giving you very good buying opportunities around these gray boxes here. And you say we're right now looking at Kraken. Of course, Kraken dumped so quickly here. I don't know what Kraken was doing here. Also with Bitcoin, also with Ethereum, Kraken was creating a very, very weird Lower the caffeine levels. Man, you have to know, I did not even drink any caffeine here. I'm just too excited to be back again with you guys once again here. And by the way, hey, smashing the 300 likes, guys. Thank you so much here. Let's continue to the 400 likes. Will be, of course, amazing if we can do so. Also, we'll compare Chainlink very quickly here to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Chainlink, of course, outperforming Bitcoin for the recent hours and also outperforming Ethereum here. So, I mean, Chainlink is doing a very good job here, guys, and I'm getting very excited once I'm seeing this, because I'm a very, very happy holder of Chainlink, and definitely think Chainlink can increase way higher in price. But if you look at the daily candles, guys, we do want to see this daily close above this resistance line here, and then we can maybe see another lift off here for Chainlink, because we are breaking to the upside. We are once again trying to break through this resistance level, and for now I do want to see more volatility we can create, because here you saw this fake out, and for now it will be very important if we're breaking this level and then heading towards this next resistance level. And this next resistance level is one of the major very strong resistance levels. As you can see here, multiple touches over here getting rejected over here already. 5 touches already. 5 touches already, and people are saying check crypto quant. I will check crypto quant in a chat in a second here, but I mean 5 rejections. And I will open crypto already here. And so I will look into F2 pool in a second, guys. Definitely will look into it, because we also want to look at the on-chain data and what the on-chain data is right now telling us. But I mean, just quickly looking at Chainlink for a second here. But I mean, Chainlink looking very strong here. Would like to see this daily candle close above this, because then we can really go further here. And Chainlink compared to Ethereum still showing enough follow through here. Do want to break this horizontal level where we are right now trading against, because we got multiple rejections already at this level. So maybe forming some kind of ascending triangle. And if we are breaking to the upside here, guys, this can definitely be a very, very good price target for Chainlink compared to Ethereum. So I mean, Chainlink compared to Ethereum looking very strong here. Still a fake out if you look to this chart. But I mean, if we're really going to see the follow through getting created, we can gain approximately 35% compared to Ethereum, guys. Compared to Ethereum. So I mean, it's literally looking very strong here. Chainlink is literally looking very strong. So Chainlink will be the asset that we will trade on, in my opinion, because Chainlink is looking so strong here. I would like to get on the boat here, of course. I would like to get on the boat here. So all the miners, let me look at F2 pool here. Here's the F2 pool. So, I mean, definitely we'll also look at some on-chain data here for you guys, of course. I mean, if you look to yesterday, because we cannot see the data of today, but I mean, if yesterday, they're not done dumping here. They're not done dumping. Guys, you have to know, F2 pool is not just going to stop dumping here. They're just still continuing, and I will get my face out of the way here in a second. Why is it doing like this? Why it is doing like this? Let me see. Am I logged in? Yeah, I'm logged in. So I mean, I don't have the premium first yet. So I definitely have to get it, because then I can see the real data. But I mean, the miners are definitely not done dumping here. The miners definitely not done dumping here. I mean, you can see still approximately 9.5k Bitcoin outflow today. Yesterday, I mean, yesterday 9.5k Bitcoin outflow here of the of all the miners in general. Not only the F2 pool here, but all the miners together just sold 9.5k of Bitcoin. So probably they're looking to cool off anytime soon here, because they're already dumping for such a long period in such a rapid pace here. So probably they will be looking to stop selling so much Bitcoin here, because then they can push the price higher and sell their Bitcoins, of course, at higher levels. So guys, please be careful, because these guys can really push the price lower here. But I mean, you can see also over here you had 1 or 2 big spikes here, but after that they cannot keep up their pace so quickly, because they're not mining so many Bitcoins. So they're going to stop anytime soon here, and once again trying to sell off, trying to push down the market here. But yeah, it's just a matter of time till they're over here. So yeah, yesterday still dumping quite significantly here, and F2 pool dumped approximately 7k Bitcoins. And in general, the 9.5k was dropped. So F2 pool is definitely the biggest player here in this dump. Definitely the biggest player here. 7.1k Bitcoin they dumped yesterday. 7.1k. That's very high, of course. Very high numbers from them. But yeah, definitely we'll keep an eye out, of course, what they will do here in the immediate short term in the coming days here. But yeah, looks like the Chainlink is still getting rejected here if you compare it to Ethereum. Do want to see the breakout to the upside before trading this. Do want to see the daily close above it before closing it. So that is also our strategy. Not going to only going to trade on the breakout here. So yeah, Bitcoin still reversing to the downside, guys. And this is of course beautiful to see if you are willing to maybe step into the market. If you really want to step into the market, definitely lovely to see this, of course. When is a good time to buy Chainlink? I mean, I would definitely should wait a second here because it is still looking like that we are in this lower low trajectory, lower high trajectory. So, in my opinion, still anticipating. Yeah, I mean, it would be likely if we're setting a lower low here. And guys, you have to be careful here because, yeah, Bitcoin, of course, freaking out here. You have to be careful. Don't buy, or especially don't open longs here on zero fundamentals here, or I mean on zero technicals here. But I mean, if I look at the chart, 45.7k will definitely be a level that we're probably going to bounce here. So it will be my first accumulation phase. And if we're heading lower, 42.1k would be my second accumulation phase here. So yeah, I mean, if you want to open a swing trade here, you can definitely open the half of your quantity over here. And if you're dropping even further, you can open the extra half over here, and then you average in around the price of 43.7k, and it will be still a good entry in my opinion, because it can definitely also be that we are forming some kind of a reversal structure and that we are forming something like this here. So, I mean, setting a higher low will be immediate, very, very strong here for Bitcoin. And I don't think everyone's very bullish on Bitcoin. Everyone wants to buy Bitcoin. Everyone knows about it right now because it's gaining so much here. Having a lot of media attraction here. So, I mean, yeah, definitely, I don't think that we're going to go this low here. Don't think that we're going below the 40k, to be honest. And if we're going below the 40k, definitely will be a very, very good buying opportunity. You have to know it. And guys, make sure to also see 342 likes here. Thank you so much for liking the content. And if you're new to the stream, make sure to already smash up the likes here. Would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. And daily, I mean, the 1 hourly candle is almost heading towards oversold areas. Of course, very good, because once we're in oversold, yeah, you will be looking to open this swing trade position. Do have to get something real quickly, by the way, but we'll get it in a second here. Wait, I will fix it right away here. So, yeah, okay, that's fixed. So let me see what you guys are having for me here in the chat here. I'm getting excited, of course, what you guys are having for me in the chat. I will discuss your questions here also. You're seeing, will GRT hit 11 euros by the end of the year? Definitely it can. Definitely it can, in my opinion. A Crypto Rover, great time to buy front right now. It mega pumped to $8 and now it's sitting around $2.8, going down more too. And Toy Wolf, thank you once again for tuning into the stream, and I know you are a big OG here. You are the biggest OG that I ever know, man. So Frontier, massive dump here. Thank you. So yeah, I mean, Frontier having a major dump here. And yeah, you can see big wicks on the daily candles here. You can see a decrease of 65%, guys. This is not a thing that you see every single day here. Sorry. So, I mean, 65% decrease in price. Not a thing that you see every single day here. So, I mean, definitely looking strong to buy it right now, because you want to buy at the lows, not at the highs. If you bought over here, you absolutely got wrecked, of course. So be careful with buying into these coins. If a coin pumps so hard, you don't want to buy into it. Like we are telling you guys, 506% in just a matter of 2 or 3 days here. That is not a coin that you do want to buy into. That's not a coin that you do want to buy into, guys. It's way too risky, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice here. But I mean, in my opinion, it would be too risky to buy into the coins here if you're just already seeing such a huge bump here. But I mean, don't really know the fundamentals. But if you love the fundamentals, 65% sale. I won't say it another time, because that will be definitely a very good buying opportunity. But I mean, man, I don't really know the fundamentals about this coin. So I mean, if it's just a pop and dump coin, yeah, definitely you should stay away from it. But guys, you have to know it. I think we're still in the beginning of this bull run, and if you're buying right now, if you're buying alts, if you're buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, just every cryptocurrency will be profitable here, in my opinion. But only some project will do better than others. So definitely worth looking to good projects here, because this bull market will be different. I think DeFi, especially DeFi, will explode here. I mean, buying into small cap DeFi tokens can definitely be a golden gem here. Can definitely be a very good strategy here, to be honest. If you buy in 20 DeFi projects, probably 10 of them or 15 of them will do very good here. But no financial advice, of course. But at least just telling you something about my strategy. Of course, always very important to look at the fundamentals as well of the coin. But let me know what you guys are having for me. Swing trade, yeah, we definitely will looking for a swing trade at work. We definitely will be looking for a swing trade here, because, yeah, I mean, getting huge opportunities once Bitcoin is dumping. Always very nice, but maybe for the coming 2 hours here we can see something like this, just a cool off or just a sideways action here. And once we're seeing this sideways action, we can continue to dump a little bit lower here, and then we can definitely look for an entry here. Because like I told you before, I mean, a good strategy can be like adding already, if you're in low leverage, of course, because swing trading you always have to do with low leverage, entering first over here, and then another entry over here, and then you are yeah, just of course with half quantity, no financial advice. You always have to trade at your own risk here, and then you have an average entry price around the 43.7k here, and it will be definitely a very good entry price, because I do think if we're not bouncing from here on, definitely a bounce from here on will be very likely. And I mean, if we're getting a bounce already from here, we are setting a higher low, and if we're setting this higher low, definitely the market structure is to the upside, guys, and then we are seeing this clear reverse pattern. But I will say that the market is reversing if I see like, let's say the 4th of March will be sitting around to 48k. Definitely will say, if we're really going to see some kind of this structure here, I mean, definitely will say that we are creating a higher low, but don't want to see something like this here and then already say the market is reversed, because then we can still do this. So I definitely want to see more hours coming through there, and then I can definitely say, okay, the market is right now reversing, or it's not reversing, you know. So of course we will be looking to see the reverse coming in here. And guys, 88 guys, if you scroll back to the stream here in a second, we just started off with the stream also ADA, so yeah, huge explainment about ADA, but we'll go into ADA also later on, because I know you guys are loving ADA. So let me see. At Crypto, what do you think is a good entry price for Cardano? Keep it going, man. Love your stream. So definitely, what is a good entry price for Cardano? We also discussed it, but I will do it another time here, because you guys are loving ADA here. So we'll give you a very quick thought here about ADA here. I mean, $1.50 will definitely be the area to look at if you really want to get into ADA, in my opinion. Sorry. Excuse me, but I mean, if you really want to get into ADA here, yeah, the $1.50 here would definitely be a very good entry price. I mean, yeah, you can see multiple levels acted as resistance, and it will right now just act as support. It's just simple TA here, and it's a very strong level, because we have very strong rejections from that level, and I do think it's a very good level to step into ADA, especially once you're holding here. I mean, there's so much hype around ADA, and I wouldn't be surprised if we're not even going below these levels, because there's a lot of strength behind this chart here. A lot of people are not willing to sell their Cardano right now, and I mean, I'm also not looking to sell my Cardano, and a lot of people are thinking like me right now. So that's the reason also why I do think that Cardano is looking very strong here. But once you're getting this touch here around to $1.50, this will be a major opportunity that is maybe once of a lifetime, because maybe we're never going to see these levels around $1.50 anymore here. So definitely would consider maybe opening a trade maybe there. And if you're not trading, if you're not willing to trade here, you can definitely also look to just accumulate over there, because this would be a very good accumulation level. And guys, if you want to trade, you can use my referral links in the description. You have my Bybit referral link in the description, and you have my Famex referral link in the description. So if you want to use them, it would be absolutely lovely if you're doing so, because then you're yeah, completely supporting the channel here, and you're also getting some bonuses. If you want to find out of these bonuses, you can also find them right now in the description, because there you can see what you're getting from them, because the bonuses are pretty nice here also for Bybit here. So of course you're also supporting the channel, and you're also helping yourself out, because you're getting more bonuses. So I mean, I just like Cardano here, so definitely $1.50 will be a very good area to accumulate some more. Definitely a very good area to accumulate some more. And Bitcoin, meanwhile, just bouncing a little bit here, but not really a significant bounce here. We are talking about 15, not 50. So $1.15. $1.50 will definitely be a very good area to maybe consider just accumulation. So getting a donation here from Tyler. Thank you for $2 here. And you're second, can you check Finance? And definitely I will, my friend. Definitely I will check Finance. So thank you for your support of the donation, of course. So let's look at Finance. If we look at Finance, first of all, yeah, you can see downtrend, of course, getting created in Finance. And I mean, I will set up this Fibonacci tool here in the of the exact chart here. I will lock this on here, of course, and I will remove some drawings here, because I have had loads and loads of draw. Oh, now I removed the Fibonacci. So I mean, I will re-roll this whole chart here for a second, because yeah, you're in the finance, of course, a lot of things happening around this chart here, and you can see also can right away set this rectangle up here, because you can see here, I mean, buying at these levels is very, very strong here, and I will just extend this level even more. I will extend this level even more. I mean, this gray box here, acting as very, very good resistance levels. As you can see here, it was acting as resistance. You can see we were getting rejected by these levels every single time here, but right now it is holding us up as support here. So I mean, definitely, once again, this gray box giving you very, very good buying opportunities to accumulate more, and also Untitled Finance, major sell from the top side. You can see right now still a decreasement of approximately 37%, and if we're going to go to the gray box here, it will be a decrease of approximately 44 to 50% here. So, I mean, buying around this gray box here will be definitely a very good opportunity to accumulate some more Untitled Finance here, and definitely you will be looking to accumulate more of this coin, because I do think also this coin having huge potential for the coming bull run. And of course, right now just moving to the downside here, not all to freak. I shouldn't freak out here, because I still think this coin will massively explode here, in my opinion, and it's just a very good coin, and you do want to get exposed to good coins, and Untitled Finance, of course, giving you a very good buying opportunity, especially also maybe coming together with the Fibonacci line around the 0.618 here. That will be sitting around the 29.9k here, so approximately 30k here will be in the very, very good buying opportunity, in my opinion. Of course, you can go a little bit lower here, but you're averaging in at a very good price, in my opinion. So if you're holding here, if you're willing to step into a holding position here, of course, no financial advice here, just my own opinion on the market here. I do think that the market will reverse anytime soon here, and these coins already seeing this decreasement of 60% approximately. It won't suffer more here, in my opinion. Untitled Finance, 30k, definitely a very good accumulation level here. And if you're willing to open a trade here, use low leverage, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice here, but if you want to trade it, use low leverage, because otherwise you are getting wrecked here. You're definitely getting wrecked. So, I mean, it is giving some very good opportunities once again here. And, of course, guys, once we're seeing a drop-off, a lot of people are getting scared here. But we on the channel, we are not getting scared, because we are only loving it, because it's giving us more and more opportunity here. At least I am. And let me know how you're seeing this. Watch BTC. Of course, I definitely will watch BTC here for you guys. If you want something, I, of course, will do it here. So let me know what you guys are thinking here. Of course, enjoying the stream here. Already live for 14 minutes, guys. And, of course, my life is, for the coming 2 weeks, pretty busy here, but of course we'll try and do a daily live stream for you guys, because you guys are loving it. And also consider a subscription to the channel here, because we are getting very, very close right now to the 29k subscribers here. I mean, if I look to it right now, we are only 50 subscribers away here from the 22k subscribers, so it would be amazing if we can reach it, of course. Would be definitely a target that I would like to see getting reached here on the channel. So, you're saying, let me see, watch BTC. Yeah, definitely. I'm looking to BTC right now. It was the F2 pool dump. Yes, F2 pool is definitely leading the dump here. F2 pool is definitely leading the dump here. We just also checked it here, and the F2 pool mining, the F2 mining pool here is definitely the biggest pool that there's right now dumping here. Bitcoin to 42k. I mean, definitely, if we're going to 42k, definitely a very, very good accumulation zone once again here. So still anticipating another leg to the downside here, to be honest. And if you look to Bitcoin here, if you look to this chart, yes, symmetrical triangle just playing out here. You can see it breaking to the downside here, guys. Is exactly as predicted here. Support flipping into the resistance. So I mean, it's looking very clear here. It's looking very strong. And I mean, yeah, it's definitely. Target will be around this gray box here. Once again, gray box once again giving you a very good buying opportunity, and also holding up the Bitcoin price very strong here previously. And of course, once we are breaking below it, you can see we had a lot of struggles to break above it once again here. So I mean, definitely looking to accumulate more Bitcoin once we're heading towards these levels. Definitely looking to accumulate more and more. Chainlink to the moon, definitely. Bitcoin going up here. Yeah, Bitcoin immediate short term is at least going up here. I mean, guys, please don't be fooled. Don't open a long position because you're thinking it's going up here. Because yeah, you can see here we created also big wicks on the top side, and I mean we can even go higher here, but it would only reverse the price even more, because yeah, our sign of 15 minutes was pretty oversold here, so it's not very likely to see another leg down here. But it is very likely to see some kind of a cool off period for at least the immediate short term here, for at least the coming 15 to 50 minutes, maybe 2 hours here. Like I told you before, wouldn't be surprised if we're going to see something like this here, just 2 or 3 hours sideways action, and then see the dump continue, guys. I mean, it would be very, very likely to likely, because Bitcoin is, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is doing that multiple times here already in the past. Polkadot, yes, definitely. We'll also look at Polkadot here for in a second here, right away. I mean, we'll also look at Polkadot here. Wait, this is my wrong chart. We'll get this chart in front of me. I mean, if you look at Polkadot, broke this downtrend, very nice, of course, but right now creating a very, very good uptrend, to be honest, because we are, if you look at Polkadot, we are creating a higher high. So in Polkadot, we're basically reversing the trend to the upside once again, and also creating this higher low structure here and some kind of a W structure. So, I mean, if you just purely look to the Polkadot chart, it's looking very strong here. Polkadot already showing more strength compared to Ethereum, because Polkadot only decreasing 15% from the top now. And if you compare to Ethereum, it's still a 25% dump here from the top. So Polkadot also outperforming Ethereum here. And sorry for touching my microphone. Maybe it sounds a little bit weird here. But I mean, Polkadot also performing pretty strong here. Also having the swing trade still open on Polkadot here. So I will be looking to accumulate more Polkadot as well here, but also still in the swing trade. And I feel very bullish, of course, about Polkadot here, and that's also the reason why I definitely will be holding more and more Polkadot along the way here, along the bull market. And Polkadot will be the asset that you want to keep an eye out on, because Polkadot will definitely do a very, very good job here. It's definitely very, very interesting what we are seeing here with Polkadot. But yeah, I mean, Polkadot creating this new local high here is already good here, because otherwise, if you're setting a lower high, you're just in a downtrend still. But as you can see here, breaking this lower high trajectory is a very, very strong thing here for the price of Polkadot. So definitely looking strong here in the immediate short term. Definitely looking very strong here in the immediate short term. And people are saying Bitcoin entry. Yeah, we definitely will be looking for maybe a possibility to open a trade here in the live and stream here, but don't think it's very likely, because I do think this move to the downside can take a little bit longer here. Can take a way, way longer here. Thank you, Rover. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Valerie. Can look at Litecoin as well. Of course, I will look at Litecoin in a second. Can Cardano go to $1.30? Definitely, definitely it can go definitely to $1.30. So I mean, I will look at Litecoin for a second. We'll look at Litecoin for a second here. So I mean, if we look to Litecoin, you can see a lot of interesting things are happening with Litecoin, but Litecoin is still in a downtrend here, still creating a lower high, and this white line once again acting as very strong resistance. And I know in the previous stream, it was yesterday, yeah, I mean, it was yesterday. Oh no, it was just in the previous stream. We were watching this yellow line. We broke it to the upside here, so we found support in the end once we are breaking it. So if you looked at the lower time frame, it was in a lower time frame, some kind of a W structure. But yeah, we broke to the upside here, found support at the neckline of the W, and then we continued high, but we got rejected once again from this white line. So that's of course very, very unfortunate. And okay, man, don't spam in the chat, because you're right now getting blocked here. So please, it's not appreciated once you're spamming here. Please don't do it, because you will get blocked here, and that's of course not a good thing here. But I mean, if you look to the chart here, this white line here, of course acting as resistance, not very strong here. And yeah, in immediate short term it's not looking good here, because yeah, still creating this lower high trajectory, and that is what right now what we do want to break here on all these altcoins. And if you look to Litecoin here, I haven't broken it all here, and don't want to move it. And I do want to look at the different chart here of Litecoin, because we have multiple charts that we are right now looking at for Litecoin. And I mean, if I flip this over to the daily here, because Litecoin, of course, very interesting asset. While we are watching to, this is not the chart. I mean, this was not it. This is not the chart. I will have to get a different chart here. I'll just go back to this chart. I mean, if you look to the daily here of the Fibonacci levels, you can see swing high to swing low, swing high to bear market low here. You can see. You can see that we are right now getting supported by this 0.382 level. If we're right now looking at the daily candles here, and also getting rejected by this 0.618 level. So I mean, guys, 0.618 here, of course, acting as very strong resistance. This was sitting around the $236, and we were already warning you guys, please be cautious, because we are right now trading at a Fibonacci level, and it's a very strong level, because we are watching to this chart in a bigger time frame here. So I mean, you can see Fibonacci levels are holding it very strong as resistance and support levels. And oh man, why is okay? If you're just purely spamming, you will get blocked here. So please don't spam here in the chat. Please don't spam here in the chat. And yeah, definitely, I mean, if you look right now to the chart of Litecoin, I mean, it's not looking very strong, because you're getting rejected by the 0.618 here on the top side. And of course, It's a very bad thing here, but of course Bitcoin was reversing here, and that was also the main reason why it was going down here. And right now the 0.382, of course, reversing pretty quickly to the downside, and it was also a very significant decrease in price here. It was approximately a decrease in price from top to where we are right now. It's still 30% here, and if you look to the wick, it was 38%. But guys, that is the reason. If you look to these coins like Polkadot, and our Cardano are already doing a very good job. Polkadot still, compared to Litecoin and Ethereum, doing a good job, but you can see these coins with better fundamentals are also doing better, and that's also the reason why I'm stepping more into these coins with better fundamentals, because Litecoin, also the fundamentals not looking very strong here. Of course, transactions are pretty cheap over there. It's better than Ethereum right now, but Ethereum has the network, but Litecoin, of course, it's an OG coin, but not really very, very strong in my opinion if you just purely look to the fundamentals. And I do think there are better coins, to be honest. But I mean, if I look at the chart of Litecoin, yeah, you can see here getting rejected by the top side and getting support by the lower side. So also getting this rejection by this white line here already 3 times we got rejected from this line. So we'll be likely to see maybe another reversal. But as long as Bitcoin is not going to chill down here, Litecoin is not going to do anything special here, to be honest. Litecoin is not going to do anything special once Bitcoin is not cooling off for a second here. Because, yeah, Bitcoin is right now just leading the market, and just like it always is, Bitcoin really needs to go sideways before really seeing these altcoins blast off here. So let me see. People are saying Bitcoin is bouncing. Not really significant bounce here. Probably going to see some kind of sideways action here, and after the sideways action, probably going to continue in the dump here, because we haven't met our price target here. If you look at the symmetrical triangle here, and I'm still anticipating this price target, to be honest. I still am anticipating this. So, of course, RSI cooling off for a second here. Yeah, I mean, RSI is cooling off here, and we are almost heading towards oversold territorium, and you cannot stay so long for at oversold territorium. But also, as you can see, 15 minutes was also forming a very strong bearish divergence here. So, guys, you have to look at these bearish divergences because they can really indicate what the market will be doing, probably. Bitcoin controls the market. That sucks. I mean, yeah, I mean, definitely, yeah. You can see at some coins you are seeing a very good pattern, but then you want to look at Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin, as long as Bitcoin is not chilling out here, these also will follow. These also will follow. Swing trade on Ethereum maybe, and let's look at Ethereum for a second, because we were watching about Ethereum, and we were saying something about this. Supportive line where we are right now trading on, but yeah, I told you already, if Bitcoin is not going to chill down here, Ethereum will definitely will not support this level here. But I mean, yeah, right now trading below this level, so we closed this this candle here below, and right now Ethereum is looking like that we're getting another correction here, in my opinion, not looking very strong here. So I do want to see how the next 24 minutes will go here for the price of Ethereum, because if we're going to close once again this next 1 hourly candle below this resistance line, yeah, they can definitely push the price even lower here for the price of Ethereum, and of course that would be very bad here for Ethereum. But I mean, it's definitely very likely to see here. And once we're going lower here, guys, you have to know we will be looking for more opportunities here. And yesterday, once we are breaking it, I mean, yesterday on the 1st of March, you can see breaking this line here, and once we are breaking it, it felt very bullish here. But yeah, still not feeling bearish by Ethereum, because Ethereum in the bigger picture looking very strong here. I mean, there's nothing looking bad about Ethereum in my opinion if you compare it to Bitcoin, but right now, immediate short term, should play it very careful. And guys, this is the place where you do want to get into swing trades for Ethereum, because I think the month of March can definitely be a month of a lot of bullishness for Ethereum, can definitely increase approximately 50% compared to Bitcoin. So that is the reason why I do want to get in on a swing trade here on Ethereum. And once Ethereum is doing good, you have to know these other altcoins will follow as well here. And guys, you have to know, it already told it to you guys here on the channel 2 days ago here, but not a lot of people are talking about this. And guys, I want to help you guys here, and that's also the reason why we are trying to open as much swing trades as possible here, because we are willing to crush the market here. And that's also the reason why we are looking for swing trades right now, because I definitely think that we can really increase our portfolio with opening a low leverage trade here, because once Ethereum is gaining compared to Bitcoin, definitely these other altcoins will outperform Bitcoin as well here. So let me see. Yeah, of course, Bitcoin a little bit reversing here. It's still very good. XRP not very interesting, and a lot of people are saying, "Oh, XRP going to explode. They're going to win. They're going to win the lawsuit." But guys, you have to know this lawsuit can take for ages. The lawsuit can take still for ages. I mean, it can last for so long here. So Not looking to hold XRP in the bull market. Not looking to hold XRP in the coming bull market, and also don't really like to talk about it, to be honest, because yeah, it's not very interesting in my opinion, and it's definitely not a coin that you do want to hold here, in my opinion, because there are so much better coins here. So Oliver, thank you for a £2 donation, and Oliver, you're saying, do you think we will find support here or down to 46k here? Yeah, maybe there's a possibility to find some support here, but I mean, I'm not really anticipating it, to be honest. I'm more anticipating, of course, you're probably looking to this previous levels over here, and then you're saying, okay, finding support around these levels will be very likely, because here we were topping out around these levels. So I get your point here, but I mean, definitely would not open in the position here. We can, of course, reverse a little bit to the upside here, Oliver, but of course, no financial advice here. But I mean, for 46k will be a way stronger support level, and it would also be the target of the symmetrical triangle, because yes, we are seeing a symmetrical triangle break it to the downside, and I'm not going to open a long position halfway of the price target, and I do think it's very likely to reach this price target. So I am at least still anticipating another leg to the downside here. So wouldn't be surprised if we're seeing so. Wouldn't be surprised if we're seeing so. So Little Blue Elephant also donated $5 Australian, so thank you for your donation. And you are saying, hey, Crypto Apple, did you saw Bitcoin won't drop to possible 43k for another 2 to 3 hours here? Also, okay, please check AVE or Algo. Thank you. And thank you for your donation here. Thank you once again here. You say Bitcoin won't drop to 43k here? I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that because I told you guys, because I'm still, of course, I would like to see what I would like to see here on Bitcoin. If I flip this to the 1 hourly candles here, what I would like to see for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is going lower to watch the 45.7k here. But once Bitcoin is not supporting or respecting this level here, and we're not going up here, I mean, definitely the next area to watch here is the 42.1k here. But 43k would not be a specific entry price for me, but I mean 42.1k will be the target that I would really want to get a large quantity position in. But I mean 45.7k will definitely be my first position to really look at to open a position here. And of course it will be low leverage because I would like to open a swing trade here, and if we're going lower to watch the 42.1k level, I would definitely add more to my position here to scale out and average the entry price a little bit lower here. So don't think that it's very likely to go to 43k here. I think if we're going to dump 42k will be really the target. And another 2 or 3 hours, I think maybe it's coming 2 hours in my opinion, because we're already seeing this significant dump here. Maybe some kind of small climb back to the upside here, and then see another retracement, because this is usually how these Bitcoin drops work. And can you also check AVE? Of course I will check AVE here. Of course I will check AVE. Because I like to see what AVE is doing here, and I would like to give you guys an update as well here on AVE. And by the way, if you're loving these updates, if you're loving the content, make sure to already smash up the likes. Having 443 likes there would be amazing if you're smashing up the likes as well here right now. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel here, because we're very close to the 22k here, and it will be absolutely insane cool if we can reach it here. And of course also a new month, so also a new target for the coming month here, so looking forward to the next month here, and let's see what we can reach by the end of the month here in subscribers count here. I mean, we can definitely increase the subscribers here if we're all working together here, and it would be of course very lovely to see it grow as well here. And right now just only 40 subscribers away here from the 22k here, so getting very close. So if you're new to the channel, you know what to do here. And if I just quickly do to AVE, and I will switch to the 4 hourly, you can see getting multiple rejections already from off this level. And here we were getting rejected by the horizontal level, to be honest, because we didn't clearly touch this resistance line to the downside here. Of course, these two lines were meeting together, so it was already showing, okay, we are meeting very strong resistance lines. And yeah, of course, right now once again getting this rejection. And if you look to this white line of support here, you can see it was holding up as very strong support. And once something is holding up as very strong support, it will definitely, and oh, definitely it will hold you back once you are going up to newer highs here. So also here getting rejected already by this level, and here once again here. So I mean, it's not looking very strong in the immediate short term here for AVE. Probably looking to see another correction to the downside, and especially once Bitcoin is also going lower here. I mean, AVE will just be dragged along here. And also a very nice sticker from Optimated Olivia, and thank you for your £3 sticker here. Thank you so much here, and very nice nice thumb here from your sticker. Very nice. Liking to see it, of course. And also getting some water in, guys, because you want to stay hydrated, of course. Hydration is very important. Very important, guys. So, ADA entry, yeah, $1.50. Definitely an area to watch at. Definitely an area to watch at. But AVE, yeah, looking like a rejection right now. Looking like we are getting a rejection right now. And also we'll look at Algorand for you, of course, because Algorand, very interesting coin here. And if you look to Algorand here, you can see downtrend getting created, downward sloping resistance line getting created here, and you can see breaking this resistance line here. And right now it's acting as support, to be honest. If you look at the 4 hourly candles, you can see finally broke it, and right now acting as support here. So also looking to fight back above the 1.618 here in the Fibonacci chart. And once we're closing above that level, yeah, definitely will be very good for Algorand here. Because you can see also this 1.618 here was also holding us back here in the past here. And here it's probably also acting as resistance right now. So definitely a level where what you do want to stay above to. Because once we're closing above this Fibonacci level, yeah, definitely will be a very good strong. But you can see Fibonacci level is not exactly acting as resistance. But yeah, you can see also, probably if I flip this to the daily, it will show some more significance. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the daily here, you can see a lot of wicks here on the top side of this 1.618 got rejected here. But if we're going to close the daily candle for Algorand above this line here of this 1.618 here, what is sitting around $1.09 here, it will be definitely very good for Algorand here. And also, yeah, the 2.618, definitely a level that you do want to break here. Definitely a level that you do want to break here. And so yeah, I mean, yeah, for now, and if I look to the chart of Algorand, yeah, do want to break this $1.09 here. Do want to break this level before continuing higher, because otherwise, if we're not going to break this level, I will not flip bullish here. I will not flip bullish on this chart. How does swing trading work? It's basically your leverage trading with low leverage, and the strategy of swing trading is just holding your trade open for a longer period of time with low leverage, because you're anticipating that the market is going up for a longer period of time. And I mean, that's the reason why I do want to get an entry here, because if you enter the swing trade over here, let's say swing trades are usually open for 2 or 3 weeks here, and some people are even holding them up for a year or so, but it really depends on the funding fees here. But I mean, if you look to here, if you open a swing trade at these lows here, I mean, yeah, you're holding up your trade for, let's say, 23 days here, but the Bitcoin price increased 91% here in these 23 days here. So that was really worth trading that. And that's also what we're trying to catch right now. We are trying to catch this falling knife here. And once we're getting this good entry here, we're trying to yeah, ride the trade for a longer period of time to maybe to the 60k here or so, to 52% increase of price here. And that's the reason why I do want to open in some swing trades here on Bitcoin and also on some other altcoins, because I think the month of March will go to the alts. Source contracts also donate here, and you're saying what coins would you buy right now if you're starting? If you're starting right now, I've just a very, very simple buy here, man. If you're just starting into the space right now here, just looking at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking very strong here. And like I told you in my recent video here, 2 days ago I uploaded it about Ethereum, because I think Ethereum will probably blast off here in the coming month here, because, I mean, looking to Ethereum, probably going to gain some territory back to Bitcoin. And once Ethereum is doing so, of course, the other altcoins will perform way, way better than Ethereum, but Ethereum will be a safe bet here. And if you're, especially if you're new to crypto, I would recommend, of course, no financial advice, but in my opinion, yeah, if you're new to crypto, definitely want to step into Ethereum first there. And then you're getting exposed, and you will do some more research, and always do your own research before buying so. But I think if you look to the chart here, Ethereum will probably, yeah, be very strong here in the month of March. Will be very, very strong here. So yeah, I mean, it's giving you a good buying opportunity right now if you look to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So that's the reason why I'm feeling pretty strong about it. That's the reason why I feel pretty strong about it. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is still trying to fight back here, but I think it's more likely to see Bitcoin reverse more to the downside here. It's way more likely to see Bitcoin reverse to the downside. So yeah, of course, we are on the channel at least anticipating Bitcoin moving a little bit more down here. Alpha limit on Cardano, very good job here. And a lot of people are right now looking for an entry on Cardano. And guys, $1.15 here will be definitely your area to maybe scale into Cardano here. So of course, no financial advice here, but I mean, I will be at least opening a trade here on Cardano once we're hitting the $1.50 here, because I would love to get some more swing trade entries here on Cardano, because Cardano is of course crushing the market, and besides that, it's just an absolutely insane good coin here with insane good fundamentals. And I would like to ride the boat all together with you guys, and that's also why we are looking to maybe open the swing trade here on Cardano, and probably you guys are also willing to open the swing trade on Cardano because you guys are also in the chat always loving Cardano here. And I see right now having 1,200 live viewers, guys. Make sure to smash with the likes. Only 18 likes away from the 500 likes. So it would be absolutely amazing if you just joined into the stream. Also hitting up that like button because you will be supporting the channel completely for free here. When do you think Ethereum will dip here? It depends on Bitcoin, and I'm anticipating that Bitcoin is moving down here, so Ethereum will probably follow here. Ethereum will most likely follow here. Any specific point here to buy Ethereum? I mean, there are a lot of interesting points that you really can buy Ethereum, but once Ethereum is dropping, the $1,435 will be a very, very strong buying opportunity. And if we're even going lower here, I mean, definitely. I mean, once we're going lower, buy more and more. But for now on, the $1,435 will definitely be your first very good buying opportunity. Will definitely be your first very, very good buying opportunity here. So you can see here the $1,300 also holding up very strong support. But I mean, I don't really think that we're going back that low here, to be honest. But I mean, yeah, $1,436 previous all-time high. Definitely an area that you do want to get into. And by the way, smash it for the 500 likes, guys. Thank you so much for hitting that like button. You guys are insane. You guys are lovely. So yeah, of course, thank you so much for liking the video here. Already 520 you guys are following. Will ADA follow Bitcoin? I mean, the last time Bitcoin was dumping, ADA was not looking to dump as well here. So I still think ADA has a lot of strength here. ADA is showing a lot of strength here. Of course, still this decrease from the top here to 20%. And I mean, I don't think that ADA will follow Bitcoin that hard once Bitcoin is dumping, to be honest. But James Holt also donated £5 here, so thank you for the donation, James. And you're saying, yo, I know it's impossible to know, but what do you think will be the next trading challenge entry? And the next entry will definitely be on Bitcoin at least. And once we're going lower, we will anticipate this move to the downside. We will look at the chart. We will look at the chart, what the chart is telling us, because we would like to get another entry here on Bitcoin, because I want to try and catch a swing trade as well here on Bitcoin. So I think 45.7k will definitely be an area that we do want to look at, and it will definitely give us a very good buying opportunity at least. But I mean, I do want to stay away for a second here. Not saying anything here because I want to see how this bounce solidify here in the immediate short term. But yeah, I mean, I will definitely be looking for 45.7k. But if we're going to see sideways action for I mean, a long period of time, I mean, I will be looking even lower here because, yeah, maybe we're creating a newer high, higher high, higher low, I mean. And, but I mean, definitely have to wait and see what the market is doing here. I cannot say what we are doing right now, but once we are doing or opening any trades here, we will keep you guys up to date here in the Discord server. So that will be the server that you do want to join if you want to join our trades as well here. Completely for free, of course. And if you want to support the channel, you know what to do here. Just smashing up the like will be already enough for me. Hey, Crypto Rover. So yeah, James Hall. I do think I will be looking for an entry, man. But just give me a second because I won't rush into a trade. Only looking at the technicals. So once I'm seeing a very clear opportunity, I definitely, of course, will enter a trade here. So let me see. Ben H also say, hi Crypto Rover. What do you think Chainlink will do once Bitcoin is going down to 46k here? Yeah, Chainlink will definitely follow. Chainlink will definitely follow. I know it's showing a lot of strength here, but if it is still showing a lot of strength here, I mean, probably it will also continue rising here in the Bitcoin variant. And I mean, Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, but right now it's looking like that we're trading against resistance. So it will be also very likely that we're going to see a rejection coming in here for Chainlink. But once you are breaking it, of course, I will feel very, very bullish. But I mean, if Bitcoin is dumping, it's very likely that Chainlink will follow as well, and a lot of coins will follow as well. Only if they're not following, they're showing a lot of strength, and then I will definitely be looking at these coins. And I mean, Cardano was doing the same here. Cardano was not dumping once Bitcoin was, and you all know what happened with Cardano. Cardano was here, you know. Cardano was just, I mean, Cardano was just holding very strong here, in my opinion. Not seeing a major correction coming in here. It was over here around these levels. Bitcoin was seeing a major dump here, and Cardano was holding up so strong. And that was also the reason why I told you guys, okay, Cardano will probably act very, very strong here. And that's the reason why I do want to catch a trade here. So, unfortunately, not catch the trade here. But I mean, yeah, Cardano, if Chainlink is going to do the same here, definitely will be looking to open more trades on Chainlink as well here in the immediate short term. Definitely will be looking for opening more trades here on Chainlink as well here in the immediate short term. By the way, we saw a new tweet from Elon. By the way, we are seeing a new tweet from Elon, guys. And probably you guys are saying it. Well, Elon tweet, yeah, I see it. Elon tweeted. Scammers and crypto get a room. Oh, whoa, that is that. Whoa, Elon, that's not a very good thing. Scammers and crypto get a room. Does he refer crypto as a scam here? I mean, don't say that. I don't think he's really meaning that, by the way. But I mean, scammers. I mean, he hates scammers and also hates scammers on crypto probably because there are a lot of scammers on crypto here. Are you trading margin or futures? I'm trading margin, but I don't really trade on Binance, man. I don't really trade on Binance because I don't really prefer the Binance chart, to be honest. But I mean, guys, I mean, it's not looking good here. I mean, I don't know exactly what he means. It probably is very bullish, of course, here on it. But I mean, in those like scammers, and guys, there are a lot of scammers here on the cryptocurrency space here, and also in their Discord server. Please be careful here. Is he scammed? Maybe you got scammed. Maybe you got scammed. That will be very bad here, of course. They can really push the price very low if Elon is going to say that Bitcoin is shit or so. I mean, definitely will push the price lower. But I know for sure Elon will not do that. Elon will not do that. But I mean, let me see what people are saying here in this reaction. Yeah, I mean, crypto is a scammer paradise. He's completely right, the guy. Because also in the chat, also guys, in the comments of this video, a lot of people are saying. I mean, a lot of people are saying also in the comments, oh, add me my phone number. He made me so much money, so please be careful for these scammers. Because, guys, you have to know it. There are so many scammers here on. There are so many scammers, and they're all trying to steal your money. And never send your Bitcoin to anything, to anyone or any. Just don't get wrecked here. Never send your Bitcoin to anything. And also, a lot of people are impersonating me, and. Yeah, please be careful of it. Please be careful of it. And guys, by the way, I want to do a quick tweet here, live in the stream. Would be, of course, very amazing if we let's do a live tweet here in the stream. Let me see. Let me see. Let me do this real quickly. Let me do a live tweet here, guys. Should I do a live tweet? Yes, I think I should. Let's do a live tweet. Let's do a live tweet. Okay, guys, I will do this live stream with you guys because this is also once again a thing that no one is watching here, guys. This is a thing that no one is watching here. I will go into the chart. I can wait. I will get it into the screen here because let me go to this Bitcoin. Okay, let me go to this chart because, guys, this is once again a chart that no one is looking at, and we guys we on the channel here. We on the channel are always looking at very interesting charts here. And guys, let me set up. This is the just quickly introduction to the chart here. This is the Bitcoin against gold chart. And previously we were seeing that Bitcoin, of course, created an all-time high, and once we were retracing here. We touched the previous all-time high and then have liftoff for the Bitcoin price. And it was in the month of January. And we were seeing the retracement and we spotted this. And since then, we also saw the price increase once again here for Bitcoin. So this is a very interesting chart that you want to look at. And my camera just is glitching once again because it always is. So, I mean, if I look to the chart right now and you set up a Fibonacci tool, guys, you just set up swing high. And let me see. Oh, sorry. That is not my meaning. That's not my intention here. Swing high to swing low. And let me set it up perfectly here. Swing high to swing low, and you enable. And you look at this chart here. You can see. I don't have the exact number here on my chart. Let me see. Let me see. Or I was using a different chart by then, but I mean, let me check this real quickly here because this is not very good, of course. I mean, it was retesting the 1.618, I thought. Yeah, okay, you can see here, we had this retest of the 1.618, but not clearly this retest. But if I look at his chart, I mean, he was using a different chart here. Yeah, he has the same chart here. I mean, you can see this retest coming in here of the 1.618 here, but I mean, you do want to compare Bitcoin to gold, because if you don't compare Bitcoin to gold, you don't know what the institutional investors are thinking, because the institutional investors are always watching to the Bitcoin compared to gold's valuation, because Bitcoin is a store of value, and because Bitcoin is a store of value, of course, Bitcoin and gold is a store of value, and investors are always looking at store of values, and they are comparing the store of values to each other, and they're seeing that Bitcoin is outperforming gold here, and because Bitcoin is outperforming gold, more institutions and more people are stepping into Bitcoin, and that's also the reason why. So also, once we are seeing this previous resistance stepping into support, it was very strong here in my opinion. So that's also what we are seeing once again here. Previous resistance here, if you look at the immediate short term, previous resistance flipping into support, but also the Fibonacci line coming together is very strong. It's very good looking here. So also going to do the squeeze here. That's the reason why, because I want to create awareness for everyone here in the cryptocurrency space, because not a lot of people are seeing this, and we do want to keep everyone up to date here, because also in the previous bull market you can see that the Bitcoin compared to gold valuation is very important to spot any kind of support levels here once you're falling to the downside, and also once you're going higher here, because you don't only want to look at the Bitcoin against US dollar here, but also at the Bitcoin compared to Bitcoin compared to gold valuation. So guys, I'm going to do this tweet real quickly here, and I mean, it would be very nice if you would like to help me out to just like this tweet and maybe retweet it, of course, if you want to. It's at CryptoRover here if you want to follow us as well on Twitter. And I mean, a very interesting tweet in my opinion, and not a lot of people are right now watching to this. And guys, a thing that you will want to do, if you want to help me out as a channel here, because we're still a pretty... Okay, we are almost doing 22k here, so we're already growing pretty quickly here. But if you want to tag your favorite YouTuber below this comment here, I mean, it would be very nice here, because you're pushing this content to more people, and you will be helping me out as well here, because then these other people are seeing from me, and yeah, we're just gaining as a community in general, because yeah, we are just building this strong community, and I would love to share this to everyone, of course. So if you want to retweet, if you want to tag your favorite YouTuber below this, and maybe not a lot of people are seeing this, so that's the reason why we do want to we want to create more awareness. And I see already 11 people are liking this video, and people, I will also look at Bitcoin in a second here, because Bitcoin is once again increasing a little bit in value. But I will also look at the comments here, because yeah, if you're just retweeting, this will be of course very nice here. Already 17 likes here, so thank you so much here. And I will also quickly pin this on your profile. Yes, we will, because this is a very interesting tweet that we do want to hold here. Because this is a very interesting tweet, guys. Definitely a tweet that you do want to watch here. If you just take your time, just read the tweet. I just retweeted it. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. You're a legend. And yeah, if you're just tagging your favorite YouTuber below it, would be very nice, because you're pushing the content to more people, and they're also seeing this. And yeah, it will be of course very nice if you're doing so. It will be very nice, because you are pushing the content further. I will post my favorite P star. It says Barry. It's not my word. It's not my words. You should compare Bitcoin to CryptoRover. It's so important too. Definitely to the subscriber count. Yeah, but I mean, Bitcoin compared to gold is a very important valuation that you want to look at here, and not a lot of people are doing it, and also not a lot of people on YouTube are doing it. So I mean, do you like Binance or crypto? I mean, I like crypto now, already Binance, to be honest. But I mean, guys, the thing here is, not a lot of people are looking to the Bitcoin compared to gold's valuation, where the big investors, they are looking to Bitcoin compared to gold. They are willing to buy Bitcoin at good levels if you compare it to gold here, because these are store values. And guys, you have to notice, in maybe 10 years and maybe 15 years, that will be the most important chart. This chart here, the Bitcoin compared to gold chart, will be the most important chart that every investor will look at, because you want to know what is the most profitable one. And guys, that is the reason why we are already looking towards it, and we want to raise awareness, of course, like we told you before. So yeah, if you're retweeting this, it would be of course very nice here, because yeah, not a lot of people are watching to this. We are. So yeah, I see already 36 likes here, so thank you so much for liking this post here. So I mean, yeah, very nice that you're also tagging your favorite YouTuber. I mean, it would be very nice if you're doing so, of course, because yeah, you will be pushing the content to more people, and that is of course what we love. And I just also quickly going to look at the dollar index here, because this is very interesting, of course, what we're once again seeing. Looking to the dollar index, we wicked pretty quickly to the upside here. I mean, this is not very nice, of course. I mean, it's very good here for the Bitcoin price, but I mean, not very nice for the US dollar market in general, because the market is once again reversed to the downside here. And still, having this retracement coming in here and still getting a rejection from off this level. So very likely to see the price pushing a little bit lower here. I mean, yeah, you can see this resistance line already holding up for a longer period of time, but the more times you are testing a resistance, the more likely it is going to be that you are going to break it here. But I mean, if you look to this chart here, yeah, definitely it's very likely to get another rejection. And what we are right now seeing here is that we are creating a wick on the top side here on this previous touch here on the daily candles, of course. And right now we're reversing once again to the downside. So rejection here is very likely. And once we're seeing this rejection, this will also push up the Bitcoin price a little bit higher, because once the dollar index is going lower, the Bitcoin price will go higher here, guys. That is the reason here. That is how it works here. And also 41 likes already. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Christian, the young OG. Keep it up, man. Listen to your streams every day and grateful for your advice. No financial advice, of course. And Chris, thank you so much for your amazing tweet here. Natasha, also loved your streams and learning so much from you. Keep up the content. Thank you, Natasha. Luke, thank you also. My favorite YouTuber. Love your hairs. Thank you. I mean, yeah, you guys are amazing. Oh, okay, I cannot really reply to this one. I mean, thank you so much for your reply also on the recent recent post here on the Twitter page here. Of course, you guys are legends, and you guys is the reason why I'm doing this, of course, because yeah, you guys are just yeah, pushing me further and further. Of course, like to see this. Let me see, but I mean, the dollar index, of course, right now seeing this decrease in price here, getting this rejection here, very likely to see. And Bitcoin, of course, a little bit reversing to the upside here. I do want to get rid of this. And yeah, Bitcoin, of course, still seeing this retracement coming in here, but no, I'm not freaking out of anything here. We'll extend this level real quickly here, because these are very, very important levels that we do want to look at. Once we are continuing here, once we are going further and further into the month, this will be a very interesting chart that we do want to look at, to be honest. Very important that we do want to look at. And yeah, definitely, guys, once we're dropping, you don't want to get these opportunities here, what we are getting here in the market. So definitely, once we are going lower, we will be looking for more and more opportunities here in the market. Definitely. Been here since 300 subs here. Rolf, you're an absolutely insane here. Thank you, Rolf, for an amazing Discord community. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the community is so strong here. The community is way too strong here with Crypto Rolf here. Heading towards 9,000 members in the Discord server. Building this very strong community here, guys. I mean, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You guys are so great here. What's a better long-term investment, Ethereum or ADA? Depends on the time frame that you're talking about, Justin. I think for the coming bull market, definitely ADA will be a better investment. Of course, no financial advice here, but I mean, ADA will perform way better than Ethereum. And Michael, once again here, back in the chat, donated €5. So thank you so much for your donation. You are saying, hey Dan, could you please give me a quick mini tutorial about displaying charts from the very beginning now? Somehow it seems very difficult to do so. So then I will definitely look at Bitcoin here. So Michael, thank you so much for your donation here. And you're saying how can you really look at the chart here? So Michael, I will give you my quick thoughts how I always approach a chart here. First of all, just looking at the Blanco chart, and you do want to look at the bigger time frame here. Of course, depends on how much information you have it. But yeah, Bitcoin, of course, having a lot of information. Just looking at the daily, you can see clear uptrend, and then you just zoom in a little bit. I like to use, especially once I'm analyzing new coins here, I would like to use the 4 hourly, because you want to look at bigger time frames here, and then you can immediately spot a trend here. I mean, it's just things that you have to see here. You can see, if you just look at the bigger picture, you can just see the general trend is going to the upside here. So it's basically making itself ready for a parabolic move. And guys, you have to know, the last leg here, the last leg of the parabolic move will be a very, very exciting, exciting leg here. Because yeah, you have to know, always the last leg for Bitcoin will be the fastest leg to the upside here. Because yeah, you can see here, we're just making ourselves ready for a parabolic run up. And in my opinion, yeah, you can be very, very quick at 100k here. And the bull market can be over very quick here as well. So definitely we will keep an eye out what Bitcoin will do here for the coming months here. Definitely, once we're hitting all-time highs here, we definitely will be streaming for you guys. But I mean, very exciting times with Bitcoin, what we will see here. I mean, it would be likely to see another retracement coming in here. I mean, I would love it. But sorry, now I'm once again talking about the charts. I'm not talking with your question here. But yeah, I mean, and then quickly, Mike, what I should do here, I mean, I like the Fibonacci tool, so I can immediately spot a swing high to swing low here. So you can use it in 2 trends here. You can use the Fibonacci tool from this level, so swing high to swing low over here. So I like to use the Fibonacci, of course. So you can set up a Fibonacci over here. and then see some possibilities for support and resistance, and it will probably show a lot of significance, to be honest. And that will be 64.5k will be the level to watch in. But I mean, I would like to use extension levels, because I think extension levels are very, very important. So then you look to the previous trend here, because this was a clear downtrend here, and you can spot the swing high here to swing low, and then you can see, okay, we set up Fibonacci 2, and okay, 50k will act as resistance, okay, and then you're seeing a lot of significance here in the chart of Bitcoin. So I mean, there are multiple levels, multiple ways here to set up your lines here, and I mean, right now I did not enable this level here, so I don't know why I did not do that. But I mean, yeah, you have multiple ways to set up a chart here, and yeah, it's just a very, very, very exciting, of course, to see. And the 42k here, once again, coming out as a very strong support level, and yeah, 45.5k also a very strong support level. So that is if you're using the Fibonacci line here. You can also use just general trend lines, and you just want to identify, of course, this is in the past here, identify a trend here. And once again, what we are seeing with Bitcoin right now, of course, you can identify these levels that people are very greedy to buy at, and you can right away set up this rectangle, because you can see people, once hitting these areas, you can see people are willing to step into the market. So that is definitely an area that you do want to keep an eye out on. And I mean, you have multiple very accumulation levels, just like here on the for the 28k. I mean, in January, of course, but I don't think it's likely to go towards this level. But I mean, these levels, once you're seeing a bottom getting created, you can see, okay, people are very greedy to step into the market over there. So that will be definitely a good accumulation zone once we're going lower once again here. So it will also hold up as very strong support probably once we're going lower. But I mean, if we're going to break this level, we really need a lot of follow through, and don't think, of course, it's very likely to see. But yeah, you just want to identify trends here, Michael. And thank you once again for support of the nation. Let's quickly look at the tweet here. Already 45 likes here, guys. Thank you so much for liking this recent tweet here. You guys are awesome. You guys are legends here. So I see also 16 retweets. Peter Schiff will not be amused. No, you definitely will not be amused. Great stuff here from the live stream. Loving the non-advice, loving my ass off. Especially a fresh perspective here on data analysis. Exciting times here and killing us. Thank you so much for your reply here. Thank you for liking the tweet here. Really appreciate it that you guys are helping me, because I want to push this to more and more people, because not a lot of people are watching to the chart. And guys, we want to we want to create awareness here, and that's a very, very important level thing that we do want to do here. And you can see just right now getting this bounce off here. And guys, please make sure to you just share that with everyone, because yeah, we want to raise this awareness, but not a lot of people are watching to this. And yeah, I mean, in the end of the day, we will be crushing the market, and everyone will be laughing behind here. But would like to help out everyone here, of course, and create a better and stronger, even stronger community here. Let me see what you guys are having for me in the chat here, by the way. Already live 1.5 hours. So thank you all for still tuning in here. And guys, you have to know, today for me, also not the longest live stream. You have to know it. These coming 2 weeks here will be very busy, at least. The coming three days here, there won't be very long live streams here, but after that there will be longer live streams once again here. But I mean, coming 3 days will be very, very busy for me, and I can see only 9 subscribers away from the 22k here, guys. So it would be absolutely insane if we can reach live in the stream. So only 9 subscribers away. If you are new to the stream, make sure to already smash up the like here. Would be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. Would be very lovely. Would be very cool if you can do so. So let me know if you're just joined the stream. Let me know if you just joined the stream, of course. And I mean, yeah, still looking to Bitcoin. Like I told you, just also opened 10 minutes ago, new 1 hourly candle here. But I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, probably going to see some kind of a sideways action here for the immediate short term. Immediate short term is very likely to see some sideways action here for Bitcoin, at least. At least some sideways action here. Thanks for the top 10 heads. Yes, thank you so much. Can you go through how you draw a Fibonacci level? Just went through it. Just go back 5 minutes or so stream. And if you don't know it, it's just from swing high to swing low here. And of course, it depends on which levels are you using. Little Blue Elephant, very nice comment. You were saying, about to start work, so I'm going to miss BTC swing trading. Good luck you all, and thank you, Crypto Rover. And Little Blue Elephant, good luck with work, and make sure to don't work too hard here, because, yeah, you always, yeah, I mean, make sure to just enjoy your work, I want to say. Make sure to enjoy your work. Sub, thank you, Mohammed. Thank you for subscribing. And let's see if we're reaching. If we already reached the target. Oh man, we just reached the 22K subscribers here. Oh no, wait, we're still 1 subscriber off here. So probably anytime soon here we're going to reach it. So looking forward to reach this target, of course. So thank you all for subscribing once again to the channel here, because we're growing so quickly here, guys. I don't know what to say here. I'm so grateful here. Once again, just 22K subscribers. I don't know what to say, guys. Just very close at least. Just 1 subscriber away. So just a matter of time till we're going to reach this target, of course. 88, just FOMO. Yeah, I mean, be careful with FOMOing, guys. You have to know not our strategy here on the channel here. We are not willing to FOMO into any trades here. We're only looking at clear opportunities. And guys, if I look to the channel right now, I can see we just smashed through the 22K subscribers here. So thank you so much here for, yeah, subscribe to the channel, everyone. Thank you so much. Which city are you from? I'm from Utrecht. I subscribed, then you will be 22K here. Thank you so much for subscribing here, all to the channel here, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing here. 22K subscribers. I cannot believe my eyes here. We're just crashing through it, of course. And very nice to see it. Very nice to see it. You have problems with the mic. I need to fix it then, if it's not sounding good here. If it's not sounding good here, maybe, yeah, of course, maybe I need to fix it here. Where's the symmetrical triangle? It was on the lower time frames. We were seeing the breakdown here. If you look at the symmetrical triangle, of course, not looking very good here. If you look at the symmetrical triangle, break it to the downside, only pushing the price lower and lower here. So, of course, now very. I was 22,000 subscribers, so very good, of course. But I mean, yeah, if you look at this chart, 15 minutes, you can see breaking down here. Yeah, probably looking to reach our price target anytime soon here. Probably looking to reach our price target anytime soon here, guys. Ethereum or Cardano better for the long term, 2 to 3 years there. So I think really, for the coming bull market, ADA will be better. But once we're going in a bear market, probably Ethereum will hold up better. Mine sounds fine. Yeah, I still need to do some adjustments here. Okay. Your mic is okay. Okay, that's very nice to hear. Of course, very nice to hear. Do we have 48.5K here? I mean, yeah, definitely. Yeah, our side was also going a little bit low here when going into oversold territory. So probably looking for a reversal anytime soon here. Bitcoin breaking up here. I mean, guys, like I told you before, yeah, right now we are seeing this move to the upside here, but usually in these correction phases here, yeah, you are seeing a clear breakdown of symmetrical triangle. Once you're seeing this breakdown, you are usually seeing this move to the upside, and after this move to the upside, yeah, you are reversing once again to the downside here. So please be careful and don't get caught by this this move up here, because probably you are getting wrecked once you're doing so. So let me see. And still, Chainlink holding up very strong here, 29 US dollars. Very good here, 29 US dollars. Do you also keep track of the dollar index and the stock market? I do keep track of the dollar index, man. But I mean, the stock market, not really. Not a lot of stocks. Some stocks I keep an eye out on. Not a lot of stocks. Not a lot of stocks. But guys, let me see. Sounds like raining. Yes, it's just calm raining in the background. I mean, yeah, looking at a lot of coins there, PolkaStart as well here, giving you also a very good buying opportunity. I mean, definitely, these coins are giving you so much buying opportunities, and PolkaStart are, yeah, right now meeting once again this resistance line, getting rejected by this line. I mean, it's very likely to see this rejection here. Very likely area to see this rejection here. So I mean, not too afraid, not too scared here, to be honest. Do you buy ever Bitcoin stocks? I mean, you're probably meaning blockchain stocks here. I know they're doing very good here. I know they're doing good. Haven't got exposed to it. Maybe have to get exposed to it, of course. Maybe in the next bear market I would consider buying them. Of course, buying them right now probably will be still very profitable because the cryptocurrency space will only grow and grow. Buying these stocks is a very good thing here in my opinion already. But yeah, I want to diversify my risk here, not everything into one asset here, into one sector. I mean, so I'm also trying to start real estate here at Citra. Once we're heading towards the bear market, is Ethereum bouncing? Let's have a quick look at Ethereum. I mean, 4 hourly still above this line here, so that's of course very well here. And if you look to the 1 hourly, still above this resistance line, so this of course very, very good. But Ethereum will follow Bitcoin here, guys. You have to know it. Ethereum will follow Bitcoin, and as long Bitcoin will reverse to the downside, Ethereum will probably flip to the downside as well. But Ethereum is gaining compared to Bitcoin for the last hour at least. What do you think of Elon tweets? Nothing to worry about. And let's look at this tweet. I think 50 of you guys liked it. So thank you so much for liking this this recent tweet here, of course. Thank you for liking the recent tweet. And Gonvara also donated here with super chat here, and you're saying, what about ADA and Dash coin? Your thoughts? So I will look at Dash here because I will also look at ADA, but already discussing a lot of ADA, guys. So that's the reason why I'm not talking about ADA right now. But have a look at Dash here. Dash once again, Fibonacci level 1.618, holding up very strong here, giving you once again a good buying opportunity, to be honest. Yeah, the 1.618 you can see here acting as a good buying opportunity, and probably heading towards it once again. So Dash around $198 US, definitely a good buying opportunity. Definitely consider buying into it. Maybe, of course, no financial advice here, but I mean, it is looking like a strong buying opportunity here. It's looking like a strong buying opportunity here. And the stealth downtrend is also broken here, so Rania just consolidating around these levels here. 1 hourly also cooling off for a second here because we're increasing pretty significantly. We were creating this new uptrend here, but already broke it. So it was of course on the 1 hourly, but I mean, yeah, looking forward to see how this will end here for Dash. Looking forward how to I mean, I will be looking forward to see how this will end here. I mean, Dash first was creating this downtrend here, and since we're broken through, we went to the upside. So maybe if we're having this 1.618 retest here of the Fibonacci level, definitely a good buy here. And yeah, Cardano, yeah, we're still going to talk about the $1.50 here. So if we're really going to see this reversal coming in here, definitely the level that you do want to buy into. Definitely will be the level to look out at. So guys, this live stream won't be very long here, and the coming 3 days I cannot live stream very long here, but I have to wrap up the stream here, guys, because my days are very busy for the coming 3 days here, but after that I will of course have more time here. So guys, thank you for watching. I will do a daily update here on the channel, so I will be streaming every single day here, but not for that long here, of course. Yeah, I mean, it won't be for very long here, but after that, probably the stream will be longer here once again. But guys, thank you so much for watching here. Thank you for tuning into the channel, and thank you for the 22k subscribers here. If you haven't already, make sure to already join us on the Discord server, and I will check you tomorrow in another live stream. And tomorrow it will be at the same time, so not as usual, but I will of course go back to the usual time once I fixed everything here, but still have to finish some things up here. So guys, thank you so much for watching here, and I will check you in tomorrow's stream. Goodbye.